Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to look at this 90s Swatch Chronograph watch, which is in perfect working condition. We have the full working chronograph function, as well as it keeps accurate time. So this is the windmill model from 1993, reference number SCK103. We also have another one on a different strap, and as you can see, the colors also look a little bit different due to aging, to exposure to light. So very nice and cool collectible pieces. For example, if I press the top pusher, the chronograph is going to start. I can pause it and then reset it, so it is going to reset to 12 o'clock. As you can see, I have aligned all three of them at 12 o'clock. Here we have the seconds hand, we have the Roman numerals, so for the hours, which is very beautiful. We also have the tachymeter function here on the outer ring of the hour markers, and also it comes on this dark blue extensible strap, quite small, so it won't fit easily large wrists, but we always ship our watches with an extra swatch strap in case of Swatch watches, so that you can interchange them and maybe even use it for different occasions. So a very beautiful piece. You can find it for sale on our website vintageradar.com, link in the description below guys. We have over 1000 vintage Swatch watches for sale, so make sure to check them out. If you enjoy this type of content guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.